in high definition. This is KOIN Local 6 News at 11.
A field trip takes a frightening turn for some local children. They found a loaded gun under a seat inside a movie theater. Welcome, everyone, to KOIN Local 6 at 11. I'm Kelly Day.
And I'm Jeff Gianola. Police say if the kids had pulled the trigger, it could have been deadly.
New at 11 now, KOIN Local 6 reporter Jolie Winaga spoke with the child who found that gun.
The 7th graders at Tillamook Junior High School did well on their final exams. So as a reward, they got to see The Hobbit this morning. But before the movie even started, they received an out-of-the-classroom lesson on gun safety when a loaded handgun was found on the theater floor. It happened Wednesday morning right here at the Coliseum Movie Theater in Tillamook.
And we went to go sit down, and the gun fell out of his chair when he sat down.
This is the loaded semi-automatic Beretta handgun that 12-year-old Levi Crabtree found in the theater. The 7th grader kept a level head throughout and quickly told his PE teacher, who then called Tillamook police. Even scarier, say officers on scene, the gun's safety switch was off.
The gun was loaded, there was a round in the chamber, and the safety was off. So, you know, most young men, us, we would have picked it up, pulled the trigger, played with it, see if it was real, because it was a smaller gun, and something tragic would have happened, but this young man was perfect in what he did, so we're really lucky.
Officers confiscated the weapon and then evacuated the theater, searching under every seat while thoughts of the recent gun violence locally and across the nation raced through Levi Crabtree's mind.
What happened earlier this week and earlier this year about the shootings in the movie theater and at the schools in the mall.
Police Chief Terry Wright says the owner of the gun, a 61-year-old Tillamook resident with a concealed license, accidentally dropped the gun during last night's last showing and told police he tried to call the theater but never thought to call officers. The Tillamook County District Attorney will now investigate and could press reckless endangering charges. And now that the owner of the gun has been located, there's still one big question. Why didn't a member of the theater cleaning crew discover the gun after last night's last showing? The investigation continues. Reporting for you here in Tillamook, I'm Jolie Winaga, KOIN Local 6.